In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Reels on Facebook from Meta Business Suite. If you're looking to streamline your social media strategy and ensure that your content goes live at the perfect time, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Meta Business Suite. This is your centralized hub for managing all your Facebook business activities, and it's designed to make your life a lot easier when it comes to scheduling posts. Once you're there, you're going to look for the option that says Create Reel. This is where the magic begins. Now, when you click on Create Reel, you'll be directed to a new page. What you're going to do next is click on Add Video. This step allows you to select the video file that you want to use for your reel. You can either drag and drop your video file into the designated area or click to browse your device for the file. Be sure that your video meets Facebook's requirements in terms of format and length for Reels. After your video is uploaded, you'll see the option to Post to Facebook. Be sure to select this option to ensure that your reel will be posted on Facebook. This is a crucial step as it confirms the platform for your content. Next, you'll want to click on Next to move forward in the process. This will take you to a screen where you can add any additional details to your post, such as descriptions or tags, which can help boost the reach and engagement of your content. Finally, it's time to schedule your post. You'll see the option to click on Schedule. Here, you can choose the exact date and time that your reel will go live on Facebook. This feature is incredibly helpful for planning your content calendar in advance and ensuring that your posts are published at optimal times for your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily schedule Reels on Facebook using Meta Business Suite. This method not only saves you time, but also allows you to strategically plan your content for maximum impact. Remember, consistent and timely posting can significantly enhance your engagement and reach on social media. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to take control of your content schedule with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy posting.